My son. You are back.
Yes, Igwe, I'm back.
Igwe, welcome to Akama Kingdom.
Thank you, Igwe.
Hey. Igwe, you are walking by yourself? Oh. That's great. May the gods of our land continue to bless you in all that you would do. He said. Hey. Igwe.
Meet my sweetheart.
Oh, I can see. My daughter, you're welcome.
Thank you, my king.
You're welcome. Eh? Let's go outside. Please.
Can we?
Oh, my son. Ah. You're all welcome. You're all welcome. Thank you. Sit down. Yeah.
Igwe, we have what happened. And we have decided to come and see you. May our forefathers be praised.
He said, Igwe, we never knew that what is eating the yam is inside the yam.
Oh.
Men can be wicked though.
Jeze is my good friend. I don't even know that he can do such thing. The art of men is wicked.
Very wicked.
Igwe, please, go in there and continue resting. And try to put behind the attitude of your late brother, I mean Eze. Because he were the lion. Chefu, just forget about everything he has done to you when he was still alive. Put them behind Kedela and Biko.
My dear, Eze was my own blood brother. But his character towards me while I was sick threw me off balance. That's why I ordered the guards to bury him like a chicken.
But Igwe, we should have reported his death to the police before the burial.
I did. Just that I don't want to prolong it by calling the villagers for funeral. I don't want.
Yes. But please, go in and rest. Shall we go in? Just go in and rest.
It's all right. Thank you all for coming.
I told you people here that man is evil. You were supporting me. Oh no, answer now. Oh no.
We don't know.
He made him oh no now.
You again. Just allow me. I don't want to listen to your gossip. Because the last one you said to me almost landed me into trouble.
Hey, way. So I'm not a gossip. Because I'm trying to relate to you the current happening in the village. Did you know that man's evil deeds even brought the sordid death to our king?
Please, Ogi, let us change this topic. With the way I understand our tradition, you don't gossip about the royal family. Otherwise, you will see the result, though.
That's why you should listen to me. It's not a gossip. I heard it from my father direct, one of the Igwe's cabinet member.
But why will Eze plan his own brother's downfall?
You are asking me to ask who? If not for greed and power, maybe he wants to become the king. And now that he's dead, that's what is good for him.
He's dead.
Yes, he is.
But how come I did not hear about his death? No burial ceremony and gunshots.
Where are you in this village? According to what I heard, the Igwe ordered them to bury him just like that.
They should bury him like a fowl.
Yes, and that is what is good for him.
And the gods forbid.
That is what is good for the evildoers. My dear, that shouldn't bother you. Let's keep going.
Lizzie, please. You always know that this was my destiny.
I know, but I'm just thinking of how I would have to spend the rest of my life in this village.
My daughter, that was before. Today things are changed. You will be the future queen. That does not confine you to the village. You are free to go about your businesses anywhere, anyhow you want it. Yes.
Okay, right.
Hold on. One more thing. We have to go to Warri to complete the marriage right of our wife here, Lizzie.
Oh my goodness!
Very important. Very, very important.
So soon. Of course. She's
Then
going
she will be here fully with us.
She will stay a while with us here, go to the city, come back, fully stay with us. Honestly, I am the happiest woman so far in this earth.
That is it.
I am so happy too.
Yes.
I mean, being with the man that makes me.
No.
That's good.
Wow.
This calls for merriment.
Yeah.
Of course.
No. Who drinks for us?
But such offense is liable to 21 years imprisonment.
Yes. Let him face it.
Let us not go to that length, okay? Osita committed a big crime. Yes, we all know. But there's a child in between. Yes, there's a child in between. All this while he has been in the police custody, and that must have taught me a lesson.
What about the baby's laying claim on?
There is no way I'm going to leave my child for anyone. A child I suffered so much for in labor room.
That is what I'm talking about. Osita must be released. There is a child in between, and that child serves as a bond between you and him.
And what are you trying to say? I should leave my child in his custody?
Babe, see, even in the court, they will ask you to release the child for him at the age of 18. Larissa, am I not saying the truth? My guy, you can invite any of your friends, but make sure Ejiro is not left behind.
No, now. How can our sister be doing marriage and she will not be there? It's not possible now. Just tell me which one do you want us to attend? The one of Akama or the one of Warri?
It's in the card. I'll do the traditional in Warri. Then the next day, the white wedding in Akama. And you and Ejiro will attend it too. I don't know what you're talking.
Don't mind me, I was just pulling your legs.
It's okay. I'll be on my way now.
Why not come inside so I can offer you something?
No, my guy. Next time.
Next time?
Yes.
Alright. Alright,
Yeah.
drive carefully.
My sister and her husband will drop you in my house. I'll see you when I come back.
House? Madam, I'm confused.
Well, let's say you're not going back as a get man anymore.
Your Highness, we have to start going.
Hey, my friend, stop that.
That is who you are. I know you.
Uka. Like my wife said, you have to stop being a gate man. So we decide to give you this. How much is that?
My prince, this is 1 million naira.
Yes, 1 million naira. In case you cannot wait for us to come back, use it to start a small-scale business of your choice.
My prince, this is huge. I'm overwhelmed by your kindness. May God reward you in million folds in Jesus' name. Thank you so much.
No,
Stop it. This is huge.
My son,
Father.
you have done very well. The gods of our lands never forget those who help the poor like this. They shall continue to bless you.
Say.
Okay. Please take care of it.
I will do that tomorrow. You take care of me too.
Ah, yes.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Bye.
Uka.
Okay. I'll see you.
Uka. Chetake kuwala yan fono eh.
Wow, madam, I'm sorry for keeping you waiting. Yes, I've called my Oga and he said I should hand over the keys to you. So these are the keys.
Okay.
Yes.
Have you gotten another job?
Yes, somehow I want to go into business.
Yeah.
Yes.
Now, good luck.
Thank you, amen. Bye-bye.
Mr. Mike, I am happy that you and your beloved wife has finally forgiven me. And I must say again, I'm so sorry for everything.
It's okay, my brother. It's okay. That should serve as a lesson to everyone. It's a pity it happened the way it happened. Yes, but we can't continue keeping your child. But my wife insisted in keeping him.
It's okay. My happiness is that I am still alive to be forgiven by the both of you. But it's so sad that Frank might be regretting in hell right now.
Are you saying that Frank is dead?
Yes, it's been a long time.
Oh,
it's been long buried.
Oh. Anyway, it's one of those things. May his soul rest in peace.
Amen.
Okay, I have to take my leave now.
Oh, thank you so much. I really appreciate it.
It's okay.
Thank you. My regards to your wife.
My people, you are welcome. I am very happy now that peace has returned to our kingdom. I never knew that my own blood brother, Eze, could go this far to plan against me just because of power.
Your Highness, I don't think we should go into that matter, because if we do, we will not move forward. Thank God that the real heir apparent to the throne is here, and is a man of wisdom. And we pray that we should not have a man like Eze, your late brother, in this our kingdom again.
Onago.
It's true that Uncle Eze is gone, but his memory will never leave this kingdom. And it's a good thing that the gods of this kingdom has shown him his way out.
My prince, our forefathers are not sleeping. Yes.
And once again, I want to thank you all for all your support towards my father.
You're welcome.
I must say I appreciate. Thank you so much. Okay, I have to take my leave now and I'll allow you to continue with your meeting.
No, my son. You're afraid to be in the meeting with us.
Yes.
Yes, because they said that when a child stays with the elders, that he will always know the words of our forefathers.
Yeah, what a quaffle to look at. Okay, it's okay, I'm here.
Yeah.
How is he?
Not too bad, but he needs to be brought to my hospital in the city so I can take proper care of him.
In the city?
Yes.
Would he be too far from his people?
No, instead of me to be coming to this village every 2 weeks, I think if he's in my hospital, I will take proper care of him personally.
It's okay. That doesn't really matter. What matters to me now is for him to get better. Where he's being taken to is not a problem. It's okay.
All right.
As I said, you're supposed to be. No, you cannot be talking about 4 cows. No, you cannot talk about 4 cows. Look at what Mr. Ude is saying.
Ichiude, we are talking about our Igwe here, not his brother, Eze.
It's the same thing you are saying. What do you want to use 4 cows for?
To bury our Igwe. To bury our Igwe. Anyway, there's no time for this argument. Let us go straight to the point why we are here.
Wow.
Now that Prince Mike is not here, and this is almost 2 months that our Igwe joined his ancestors, I think the time for sharing tears is over. What we should plan now is how to give our Igwe a befitting burial and coronation of Prince Mike the same day.
Prince Mike is not here. He have traveled back to the city. So what do we do now?
No. What Onu just said now is a very good talk. You know that the burial of Igwe is not an easy task. So we need to send message across to Prince Mike.
Exactly. Yes. I want to also remind us that the burial of Igwe is the responsibility of the entire community. So we need to plan ahead in order to give him a befitting burial.
Now, let's go.
So what would Prince Mike now do?
Nothing. Absolutely nothing. All we want him to do is come, sit on the throne, and give his people a good leadership. Wait for us. Wait for us. But, Mazude, is there another thing? Just sit down here and give us a good leadership.
Highness.
Okay.
Please, I'm sorry to bring my king and my queen outside.
It's okay. It's okay.
And I'm also sorry for not attending your late father's burial, the Igwe. The event collided the same day with my wedding. Please, my king, my queen, accept my apology.
It's fine.
Okay, it's okay.
Thank you. I want to present this card gift to my king and my queen as a token from my heart in appreciation of all your kindness.
Okay.
Your Majesty, my queen, my king.
Wonderful.
Please, accept this.
Wow.
Okay.
Come
My
on,
queen.
come on.
My king.
Wow.
Look how you've done so well. This is wonderful.
This is nothing compared to what you've been doing for me.
Okay, thank you so much. I mean, you've been showing us so much love.
My queen, thank you so much.
Okay, I'm just short of words. I don't have any other thing to say than to say thank you so much. You've done well.
And I'm grateful to my king and my queen as well.
It's okay.
Wow. You mean you got this?
God!
Your Majesty.
I
Please
don't know.
accept this, my queen.
9%.
Your Majesty.
God!
Wow.
Come. Go and call the elders for me. I've said that I want the less privileged and the widows to be exempted from the levy of this kingdom. I've said that before. And I don't know why it's been brought up again at this table.
Your Highness, I think the collectors, they made mistake on that day.
And I want them to return all the seized properties to them.
Your Highness, I will make sure they do all that you have said.
Immediately after this meeting.
Yes, Your Highness.
And I want you to follow it up.
Yes, Your Highness. I will do exactly what you have just said.
Chinedu, how many times did I call you? You must respect me in this palace, Chinedu. You must respect me. I am the prince, the heir apparent to the throne of this kingdom.
I am not disputing that. All I know is that I'm still part of this family and I have the right to use our property just the way you are.
Thank God you know, Chinedu. Thank God, but what I'm saying is that you will not go out with that very car. You will not go out with it. Enough is enough, Chinedu. Enough is enough. Do you hear me?
And what is happening here?
Mother, is it not Chinedu here? He has been proving stubborn in this palace and lack respect.
It's you who lacks respect. What do you think you are? That my senior brother doesn't mean you have the right to deprive me of societies in here.
Chinedu, what is it?
Mom, just because I wanted to go out with the vehicle.
Please, you should know that he is your elder brother.
And not just your elder brother. I am the prince, the heir apparent to the throne of this kingdom.
Shut your mouth. Let me have the keys. Let me have it. No one uses the cars.
It's me you are trying, Chinedu. It's me, okay? Come close. Come close now. Let me surprise you now. What I see how okay. Chinedu. Nine. Allow me to dismantle his kidney.
Shut up. You. What is wrong with you? What is even happening here?
So both of you are fighting in this palace and nobody is separating you. Huh? What is happening? Who is in this palace? Chinedu, do you want to kill your brother?
Nah.
Don't you know that he is the next king of this kingdom?
Nah, it's the problem we're facing in this palace. He's a devil!
Do you hear him? Did you hear him even in your presence? He is calling me a devil. Allow me to plot out his kidney.
Calm down, calm down.
Chinedu, this palace.
Chinedu, you don't have to call him names. He is your elder brother and the heir apparent to the throne of the Akama kingdom. At least give him the respect.
Nah, you should have waited to hear what he did that brought up this fight.
No matter what he did, he is your elder brother and you have to give him that respect first. Huh? What is wrong with this? No matter what he did, you must give him.
Okay. Now you see, he is working out on you. Chinedu is not working out. Now you should allow me. You should have allowed me to dismantle his kidney. Now you better do. Now you better do. Come out and fetch me! It's me, Chinedu is fighting! Chinedu should come out!
Because of me!
Chinedu, come out here, one!
Because of me!
Chinedu, come and fight me, two! Chinedu, come and fight me, three! Alright! I will come and fight you now! Mother, excuse me! Mother, excuse me! Mother, excuse me! What are you saying? Chinedu! Chinedu!
There is no need pretending. The kids belongs to us, but
You have to let Prince Will to know who the father is.
it is not as easy as you think it is. But he should know at the right time.
Then he should behave himself and allow peace to reign. The land belongs to all of them. I agree. But depriving Chinedu from what he's supposed to know is unacceptable.
You see, sweetheart, he is your fellow man. I think you should talk to him. He will understand you more better.
Only a woman knows who the father of her child is. So you should explain better.
Iche, my friend, thank God I met you here. I was actually on my way to your house.
Where's your car?
That is one of the reasons I was coming to your house to see you. Chinedu has decided to beat more than he can chew. He went out with my car.
You see the reason why I told you that you have to take the bull by the horn, and you are still sleeping. Now, tell me, what are you waiting for? What are you waiting for?
Iche, I will personally put that palace on fire if care is not taken. Chinedu has been disrespecting me in that palace, and it's very bad.
My prince, I can't say no to this. I am totally in support of you. Do you know what? It's like Onowu is the one causing all that problem in that palace. Onowu is the one.
I know that. And I will bow him from coming to that palace if care is not taken.
My prince, not now. Your father is still alive. When you become the Igwe of this kingdom, and you make me the Onowu, then you have rights. You can even ban him from even coming inside this kingdom anymore.
Thank you so much, Iche. I'll have to be on my way now. And meanwhile, I think you should manage this for your snuff. Just take everything.
My prince.
I will see you later.
Is he every time that you see me that will be giving me money?
Just do well to talk sense into him before I dismantle his kidney.
No, don't worry about that. If it is that one, go and sleep. I will run this kingdom. Go and sleep.
Do you know the gravity of what you have committed in this palace? Tell him. I'm sorry, my elders. It was Chinedu. Chinedu caused...
Will you shut up your mouth? Very soon, you will understand what I mean. Now you can get up and get inside.
Leave this place.
But be rest assured to answer the elders anytime you are called upon. Nonsense.
Come on. Can you imagine telling me, Chinedu, you are the one that you want allowed?
My prince, what are you doing?
I'm just washing my car.
Where are the cars?
I just feel like doing it.
No. In case you have forgotten, you are the prince of Akama Kingdom. So you need to be treated as one.
Oh no. Oh no, please stop that. Stop it, I don't like it. Why will you be calling my junior brother the future prince of Akama Kingdom? What am I then? No, what will you call me? Are you coming into our family to divide us or what? Oh no, I don't like it. I don't.
Okay. A very good morning to you all first. Some people supposed to greet elders when they see one.
No, good morning. But I hate it when people get me angry. I hate it.
Anyway, where's the king?
He's inside, or no? You are biting more than you can chew. You are biting more than you can chew. Don't dare me, I'm going to dismantle your kidney. Don't dare me, Chinedu. You want to challenge me, Chinedu? You want to challenge me? You want me to kill you? You want me to kill you? Hey, Chinedu. Okay, you are fighting me. Okay, Chinedu. It's me. It's me you are fighting. Hey, wait. Chinedu. Hey, oh no, where are you? Chinedu. You want to play with me? You want to play with me? You want to play with me? No, do you want me to dismantle your kidney? Do you want me to dismantle your kidney, Chinedu? No. You will kill me. You will kill me, Chinedu. Chinedu, come and kill me. Chinedu. In this palace, you boy homie, the future king. Chinedu, it's me, the future king. Chinedu, I will kill you. Chinedu, I will make sure you chop sound. I'm going to make a show, Lady Naija. I am going to dismantle your kidney. You are using me to play.
Lord. The quarrel between Prince Will and Chinedu has gotten out of hand. Especially what they displayed yesterday at the palace. Lolo, it was a total disgrace to the royalhood. I know that our Igwe will be covering his face now in the grave in shame.
Oh no. I am short of words. Honestly, with the stories I heard yesterday about what happened, as I speak to you now, I don't really know what to say anymore. I am tired.
No, I think the best solution is to tell Prince Will the truth. Let him know where he belongs before they will kill each other. And it should be as quickly as possible. Not us waiting till tomorrow. Came here now.
Oh no. Should we say it in a council meeting? Or the council leaders to call both of them together to put sense into their hands? Especially Prince Will. Because I don't know what to do anymore.
Wow, I think you are right. let us do it quickly before he will kill our future king.
Lolo, oh no, thank God you are here. Yes, thank God you are here, no. Lolo, I have one Chinedu, time without numbers. I want to know what gives him the moral, the order, the right to drive out with my car. I have warned him, Chinedu, avoid this very car, here. Today he repeated just the same thing. Chinedu went out with my car, Lolo. Lolo. Oh no, you people are not saying anything. Okay, let him go and come back. Let him go and come back. I am going to teach him lesson. Yes, I am going to teach Chinedu a lesson of his life. A lesson he will live to regret. The reason headland. Okay, watch and see. Watch and see.
Lolo, have you seen? We have to do whatever we are doing fast.
I'm sick and tired of all this. Honestly, I'm sick and tired of all this.
Lolo, you don't need to be tired. Let us do something fast. They say a stitch in time saves 9. I'm on my way. Anakwam. Let's do everything as quickly as possible. Anakwam.
No. Regards to what happened yesterday, I call this meeting now that Chinedu and Prince Will have gone out. It's high time we let the cat out of the bag, because a stitch in time saves 9. No matter how long it took, the truth must be told. So the earlier the better.
My friend, we all know that Prince Will has become a headache in this family. And I know where you're heading at.
Why not tell our wife here for her to open up?
I am waiting for the right time.
The right time is now. The right time is now. Because there will be a time that you would like to talk to him, or you will tell him the truth. The best thing is for you to tell him the truth. He either hate you or run away. But the right time is now.
I will try, Mama.
I believe we're all mature. I am the one in question here. I wear the shoes, and I know where it pinches me. Should we continue with this topic till eternity?
Your Highness, please, I am not trying to cut you from your speech, but I have an information to give.
Go ahead.
The tradition of our lands is that the mother should speak to her son or daughter concerning the paternity, and it must be in a private, and whereby the father is compelled to do so, it must also be in private.
So what should we do now? What happens now?
Your Highness, I think the information should pass to them to hear, and it will remain a rumor until his or her mother confirms it.
Our people used to say that any matter that lacks a simple truth does not end on time. My people, we have dwelt so long on this matter for months, and we cannot continue like that.
It's okay. Prince Way, I think you should call your mother and ask her some questions about yourself. Likewise, your brother, Chinedu.
What are you people talking about? That Igwe here is not my father.
Use your tongue to counter it.
Bam.
Dad, what are they saying?
Prince Will, if I were you, I will simply do like your younger brother did.
You see, my children, I was so in love with your father until he was declared missing. It was as if my whole world has come to an end. I had this friend called Jacinta. She lured me to a guest house where I met Frank and Osita. After the incident, I decided to leave the country. I could not succeed because I was deported. On coming back, Jacinta seized all my belongings, including you, Prince Will. So, Prince Will, Osita is your biological father and not Mike. I supposed to have told you all this while, but I was waiting for a conducive day to tell you I am sorry.
Mom, are you trying to say I am not part of this family?
You are.
I'm so sorry for trying to take what belongs to you. Forgive me.
Prince Will, come back here.
Good afternoon, sir.
Small boy. How are you?
I am fine, thank you.
Nkita mechono.
Please, I want to see the owner of the house.
Moga?
Yes.
What is your name?
My name is Prince Will.
Are you the owner of this photo?
Yeah, it's my car.
Okay. Wait, let me tell him you are looking for him.
Okay.
Mom, why should you ask him to go? I never did. He just picked his bag and went away.
Then why didn't you stop him?
I tried. But he wouldn't listen. What would I do?
But Mom, if you had not told him Osita's address, you wouldn't have gone to look for him.
I agree I made a mistake. But if he did not go, one day he will still live. It's even better, so he can meet his father alive. Don't you think so?
Then how can I live together like that?
Look, Chinedu, I understand how you feel. Growing up with someone you call your brother and later realize he is not. It is okay.
Therefore, I have come to see you.
So they even allowed you to come with their car.
And even more, if I had wanted.
You're welcome, my son.
Thank you.
What she told you is the simple truth. I am your father. And I am sorry. I am deeply sorry for abandoning you.
Dad, you did not abandon me. She told me everything as it happened. You wanted to take me along with you, but I insisted in living with her. I am sorry, Dad. It's not your fault.
It's all right. You're welcome once again.
Thank you.
This is your father's house, so you go in, freshen up, and come out. Okay. I have some interesting things to discuss with you.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Well, my brother, you are welcome.
Thank you.
So, how was the journey?
Well, thank God for Johnny mercies. Yeah. Do you know that your calls on my way makes me feel somehow? So I have to throttle the car to the fullest.
The Fast and Furious.
Bam.
Anyway,
Hey.
oh, that's nice. Anyway, the reason I was calling was to know the particular place you were.
Okay. Yeah, I am. The Igwe to be.
Don't start again this time.
Yeah. Where is Mama?
Those ones are inside, they're enjoying themselves now. Chilling. That's how.
Need to go and see.
But one thing, I hope you haven't come to dispatch my.
No, I won't do that. But if you disrespect me, I'm going to dismantle your thing.
I heard you came in yesterday, and how is your father doing?
He's okay. Just the illness. He would have come with me.
Hey, it's well. He shall be well in Jesus' name.
Amen.
Mom, Dad, someone that brought me up from crash. I thank you so much for all you've been doing for me. All thanks goes to my elegant Lolo. Lolo, may you live long.
You're welcome.
Thank you so much. If I am to come back to this world, I would like to be a member of this family. This is a wonderful family. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. It's okay. Shall
Lolo, the table is set.
Where is Chinedu?
He's already at the dining.
Okay. Let's proceed to the dining.
I feel my heart beating fast when the light shines in the night. Feel like I'm trapped in the loop of time. When you dump one we shit in the trash. Got me all twisted in and out. Lost all the beauty of this life. Got me your mess, then I lost my mind. When you broke out and you broke my heart. We were like sugar and tea. We were like bread and butter. You meant everything to me. Tell me what you want me to do. Oh, you more. The one that I call my friend. The one that chose to be the end of my beginning. Oh, you more. The one that I call my friend. The one that I chose to be the end of my beginning. I feel my heart beating fast when the light shines in the night. Feel like I'm trapped in the loop of time. When you dump one we shit in the trash. Got me all twisted in and out. Lost all the beauty of this life. Got me your mess, then I lost my mind. When you broke out and you broke my heart. We were like sugar and tea. We were like bread and butter. You meant everything to me.